Priya from India had brilliant ideas for her startup pitch. She spent weeks preparing the perfect business plan. But when investors read her proposal, they were confused. Her ideas were genius, but her English writing was unclear. She lost $2 million in funding because her writing did not match her intelligence. You have amazing thoughts in your head. Complex ideas, creative solutions, important opinions. But when you write them in English, something gets lost. Your writing sounds confusing, wordy, or childish. People misunderstand your intelligence because your writing does not show your true capabilities. Here is the painful truth. In professional settings, people judge your competence by your writing first, your ideas second. Your brilliant thoughts mean nothing if you cannot express them clearly on paper. Today I will teach you the Clarity System. 7 proven steps that will transform your English writing from confusing to crystal clear in just 21 days. No complex grammar rules. No boring textbook exercises. Just simple techniques that make your ideas shine through perfect English. By the end of this video, you will write with the confidence and clarity of native speakers. Your ideas will finally match your intelligence on paper. Let me tell you what happened to Priya after she learned this system. She rewrote her business proposal using the Clarity method. Same ideas, completely different presentation. The writing was so clear and compelling that investors immediately understood her vision. 3 months later, Priya received $5 million in funding. The lead investor told her, "Your proposal was the clearest and most professional we received this year. We knew immediately that you were someone we could trust with our investment." That is the power of clear English writing. It opens doors your spoken English never could. Why do English learners struggle with clear writing? 3 devastating mistakes destroy your credibility. First, you translate thoughts from your language instead of thinking in English patterns. Your sentences become long, twisted, and confusing because you are forcing English words into your native language structure. Second, you try to sound impressive instead of clear. You use big vocabulary words you do not fully understand. You create complex sentences that even you cannot follow. Impressive writing that nobody understands is useless writing. Third, you avoid writing practice because it feels too hard. Speaking mistakes disappear quickly, but writing mistakes stay on paper forever. This fear keeps you from developing the skills you desperately need. Ahmed from Egypt made all these mistakes. His emails were so confusing that colleagues started calling him instead of reading his messages. His reports were so unclear that his boss asked him to explain everything verbally. Ahmed realized his writing was actually hurting his career. The Clarity System Introduction. The Clarity System follows how native speakers actually think and write. Not how grammar books teach writing, but how successful people communicate ideas in real professional situations. C. Create simple sentence foundations. L. Link ideas with smooth transitions. R. Remove unnecessary words ruthlessly. I. Illustrate abstract concepts with examples. T. Transform passive voice to active power. Y. Your personality should shine through clearly. This system works because it matches how English-speaking brains process information. Short, clear sentences. Logical connections. Active voice. Concrete examples. When you write this way, readers understand immediately. Step 1. Create simple sentence foundations. Complex ideas need simple sentences. The more complicated your thought, the simpler your sentence structure should be. This seems backwards, but it is the secret of all great English writers. Master the basic English sentence pattern. Subject plus verb plus object. The team completed the project. They think more words sound more professional. Wrong. Professional writing uses the minimum words necessary to express the maximum meaning clearly. Eliminate these word wasters. In order to becomes to. Due to the fact that becomes because. At this point in time becomes now. It is important to note that becomes nothing, just state the point. Carlos from Mexico wrote emails that took 10 minutes to read when the same information could be communicated in 2 minutes. His colleagues started ignoring his messages because they were too long and wordy. After learning ruthless editing, Carlos's writing became powerful and direct. His emails got immediate responses because people could understand his requests quickly. Before, I am writing to inform you that due to the fact that we have encountered some unexpected challenges in our current project timeline, it will be necessary for us to extend the deadline by approximately 2 weeks. After, our project needs a 2-week deadline extension due to unexpected challenges. Step 4. Illustrate abstract concepts with examples. Abstract ideas confuse readers. Concrete examples make everything clear instantly. Never assume readers understand your abstract concepts. Always provide specific illustrations. Instead of writing "Our customer service improved significantly," write "Our customer service improved significantly. Response time decreased from 24 hours to 2 hours. Customer satisfaction scores increased from 3.2 to 4.7 out of 5. Elena from Russia was brilliant at financial analysis but terrible at explaining her insights. Her reports were full of abstract terms like market volatility and economic indicators without examples. When she started including specific data and real-world illustrations, executives finally understood her recommendations. Examples work because human brains understand concrete information much faster than abstract concepts. Give readers something specific to grab onto, and they will follow your thinking easily. Step 5. Transform passive voice to active power. Passive voice makes your writing weak and confusing. Active voice makes your writing strong and clear. This single change can transform mediocre writing into powerful communication. Passive voice hides who did what. Mistakes were made. Who made mistakes? Nobody knows. Active voice reveals clear responsibility. The team made mistakes. Clear and direct. Passive. The report will be completed by the end of the week. Active. I will complete the report by the end of the week. Yuki from Japan used passive voice constantly because Japanese culture avoids direct responsibility. But English business culture values clear accountability. When Yuki switched to active voice, her writing became more confident and professional. Active voice also makes sentences shorter and more dynamic. Passive voice adds unnecessary words and makes everything sound bureaucratic and boring. Step 6. Your personality should shine through clearly. Many English learners write like robots. They use formal and personal language that makes them sound like everyone else. Your writing should sound like you, professional but human. Use personal pronouns appropriately. Write "I recommend" instead of "it is recommended." Write "we discovered" instead of "it was discovered." This makes your writing more engaging and trustworthy. Include your professional personality. Are you analytical? Let data drive your arguments. Are you creative? Use vivid metaphors. Are you practical? Focus on actionable solutions. David from Germany wrote technical reports that were accurate but completely boring. Nobody read them completely because they sounded like instruction manuals. When David started adding his analytical personality to his writing, colleagues began requesting his reports specifically because they were both informative and interesting. Your personality is your competitive advantage. Do not hide it behind generic business language. Let me share 3 incredible writing transformations. Lisa from China was a talented marketing manager, but her campaign proposals were always rejected. Her ideas were creative, but her writing was confusing and unprofessional. After mastering the Clarity system, her next proposal was not only approved, but became the template for all future proposals. She was promoted to marketing director within 6 months. Roberto from Brazil was a skilled engineer, but his project reports were so unclear that management questioned his competence. Using Clarity techniques, Roberto transformed his writing style completely. His reports became so clear and persuasive that he was assigned to lead the company's most important projects. His writing skills became his career accelerator. Sarah from France struggled with academic writing in her MBA program. Her professors constantly criticized her unclear arguments and poor organization. The Clarity system helped her restructure her thinking and writing process. Her final thesis received the highest grade in her program and was selected for publication. Here are 3 advanced secrets that separate good writing from exceptional writing. Secret 1. Use the one idea rule. Each paragraph should communicate exactly one main idea. Each sentence should support that one idea. Multiple ideas in one paragraph confuse readers and weaken your arguments. Secret 2. Write backwards from your conclusion. Start by writing what you want readers to understand or do. Then write the evidence that supports that conclusion. This ensures every sentence serves your main purpose. Secret 3. Read your writing aloud. Your ears catch problems your eyes miss. If a sentence is hard to say, it is hard to read. If you run out of breath reading a sentence, it is too long. Your voice is your best editing tool. Here are 3 challenges to accelerate your writing transformation. Challenge 1. The one-sentence summary challenge. For everything you write, create a one-sentence summary first. If you cannot summarize your main point in one sentence, your writing will be unclear. Master the summary, then expand with supporting details. Challenge 2. The rewrite challenge. Take something you wrote 6 months ago. Rewrite it using clarity techniques. Compare the original and new versions. You will be amazed at how much clearer your writing becomes. Challenge 3. The feedback challenge. Ask a native English speaker to read your writing and circle every sentence where they had to read twice to understand. These circles show you exactly where to apply clarity techniques. Clear writing is clear thinking made visible. When you master English writing, you master English communication completely. Your ideas finally get the attention and respect they deserve. Remember Priya from the beginning? Her ideas were always brilliant, but her writing was holding her back. The clarity system unlocked her potential and transformed her career. The same transformation awaits you. Your writing journey starts with your next email, your next report, your next message. Apply one clarity technique today. Progress happens one clear sentence at a time. Writing is not just communication. It is your professional reputation on paper. Make every word count. Make every sentence clear. Make every paragraph serve your purpose. If this video helped you see writing differently, type clarity in the comments and tell me your biggest writing challenge. I read every comment and provide specific advice for improvement. Subscribe to Sound of English for more fast English improvement strategies. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video that could transform your English confidence. Your clear writing journey begins now. Start practicing the clarity system today. Transform your brilliant ideas into brilliant English writing. You have got this.